Mr. Beaks, I am so sorry.
Sorry? You saved me!
But the missile actually came from...
Come on! I have an island where I blow up helicopters for fun. It happens! Anyway, I am your biggest fan. Been looking everywhere for you.
You remember me?
Totally awesome robot duck that can't help but stand out? That's quality Beaks Baked. Tell me, what is your deal?
Well, I
have a ton of untapped potential? I completely agree. With my help, you could help all of Duckburg.
Help all of Duckburg?
That's right. And I have the money, resources, and positive buzz you need. See, right now, you're a bad meme. I want to make you a good meme. Breakdancing toddler, turtle eats a pancake, you feel me?
Not really.
Listen, I can give you access to the Waddle Phone Network. Imagine responding to calls from across the city. A hero for everyone. You can see it, can't you? Join us at Team Waddle. Your destiny awaits.
I already have a propeller. And a boss who gave me this suit. Thanks, but I gotta fly.
Seed planted. You will be mine. Hey, I'm stuck on the roof. Gonna need you to send up another helicopter. Stairs?
Oh no. No, 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 no!
You're fired.
Dr. Kearloose? What happened?
If Mr. McDuck finds out about this, I'm finished! I'm scrapping the project.
I saved a man from an exploding helicopter!
Which you exploded! Next armor, I'm losing all the gizmos.
But then it's not Gizmoduck.
There is no Gizmoduck. You are an intern, and you're not even that anymore. Go away. Manny, incinerate the armor.
Huh?
We don't need it falling into the wrong hands.